How to get Anilab on TV. So to get started, go ahead and open the App Store and search for the downloader by AFTV News and then click on the install button. Now head over to your settings and then go to the About section and then My Fire TV and click on your device name multiple times to enable the developer option. Once it is enabled, go ahead and tap on Unknown Sources and tap on Downloader option to enable it as a source to install third-party app. Open the downloader app and click on the URL field and then enter this code. Then tap on the Go button to start downloading the Anilab APK file on your TV. Wait till the downloading is complete and then an install button may pop up on your screen. So tap on it to install the app. Now after that, you can go ahead and uninstall APK file and proceed on accessing the app. And that is how to get Anilab on TV.